least it ain't your job.
Ah, shut up, Arthur.
Yeah, your job's starting the fights. It ain't winning them.
I can scrap, Arthur. I'm just not good at homework.
I can see.
Besides, what do you care, Englishman? You've got no time for me. I tried to find you work, but then you're off cutting jobs with other folks, and your boy Sean doesn't get a look in.
Guess I don't want to get shot, that's all.
Ah, you're a real fucking funny shit, Arthur Morgan, huh? Real fucking funny.
Calm down.
You better sleep with your eyes open.
Yeah, well, you're gonna sleep with your chest open if you ain't careful, boy.
I love you, Arthur Morgan. I love you. Come on, take a shot. Come on, take your best shot, please, eh?
Grow up.
And let me come on the raid with yous.
Raid?
Don't be playing coy with me, son. It's unbecoming. That bloody train you and him has set up. What you're doing out here, you're going to need guns, you're going to need men.
Oh, that. So Marston told you? It ain't a big show. I need calmness. If I take you, I might as well bring Micah along.
Now compare me to that oily turd again. You're a dead man.
Fair enough.
Anyway, Arthur, what's your problem with me? In fact, don't tell me. I already know. You're threatened by me.
Threatened by you.
Yeah, my youthful vigor. It intimidates you.
Does it?
It's a story as old as the hills. The changing of the guard, the fading of the light. You're toast, old man.
Okay. And what are you?
I'm the future, in all its glory.
Oh, well, good luck. Good luck and shut up. I want to get some rest before nightfall. Wake up, you lazy son.
What are you doing here, kid?
I'm coming, John. On the job.
I said you weren't coming.
Yeah, well, Arthur says I am. And it's his party, boy, so come on, let's go. Me and the big cheeses. Love it. Can't wait to slit some bastard's throat.
You sure about this?
No. Are we ready?
Yeah. Train's due through tonight.
All right, then. It's on. Charles?
I'm ready.
Gentlemen, let's go earn some money. Giddy up.
Hey, all the horses untethered?
Think so?
Good. They should follow on behind us.
You find a good spot, Wolfman?
Yeah. Follow the trail southwest. You don't know what you're talking about. Here's good. Stop the wagon over the tracks. Remember, these are innocent folks. If we handle this right, nobody needs to die here.
Yeah, yeah.
Mr. Marston, Mr. Smith, Mr. McGuire, come! Get over there. When she slows, order.
And you?
I'm gonna make sure she slows.
Let's do or die with you. I like it.
Get moving. Here she comes.
What's going on here? What's going on?
Nothing good.
I need to get up there. Finish up here and join us on board.
Go on! Get on there!
Bastard. All yours, Captain. Well, go on ahead.
Everybody stay calm and nobody will get shot.
This is
Go.
unnecessary.
Everything you got. Money, valuables. There you go. Let's make this quick, people. Come on. We ain't leaving till this night's full.
I ain't got nothing.
Want to have a little chat with
Getting
Romeo and
robbed.
Juliet here?
Give me everything you got.
Don't hurt me.
Don't hurt me.
What's the problem here?
Deal with these two, will you, Mr. M?
Don't do it. I'm begging you.
Come on! In the bag, everything you got. Keep it coming,
Money?
don't be shy.
Nothing else. Make me hurt you.
People like you make me sick.
These two seem to think we're playing games.
Pay me what
am
you got,
adverse to
mister.
conflict,
You
my
won't
dear.
get hurt.
I'll do anything. Please. I'll do anything.
Everyone's dying over. Tell him,
You wanna
Mr. M.
count to 3? 1, 2.
Here.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a robbery. Let's make this quick.
No, you go ahead and look for the baggage car.
Tough guy, huh? You sure about
Why are
that?
you wasting our time,
You
huh?
show this son of a bitch we ain't playing around here.
They beg
Deal
you.
with this fella, will you?
Quick, come on! Come on, partner. Come on, quick!
Everything you got. Money, valuables. We ain't leaving
Wasn't
till
gonna
this
rob
bag's
you,
full.
man. You won't get a damn cent from me.
Let me hand you over to my friend.
Everything you got. Don't be in it. Put it now! Son of a bitch.
Come on, cup it up, people. Don't be shy. Everything you got. Let's go.
I'm begging you.
Empty your pockets, mister, and you can be on your way.
Come on.
You need all your money, my friend. You got a big problem.
I can handle this from here. You should check on Sean.
Okay. What is it? You all right?
Fill the baggage car.
For Christ's sake, you ain't even taken a look yet?
Get up, you little Irish shit. Get up.
Need some help here, boy?
I'll miss your brother.
This time I'll look and you provide the cover.
I'll try my best, brother, but I'm seeing double here.
That gives you twice the chance of hitting someone.
Very funny. Gonna have a right old lump on me head.
At least you ain't got a hole in it.
Arthur, we've got a problem. There's two arseholes on horses.
How many you say?
I just see a pair of them.
All right, in that case, we're fighting. Marston, Smith, get ready.
You men come out the train now, do you hear? We said you men come out now.
There's only 2 of you fools. We got a whole lot less to lose. Why don't the 2 of you ride away? That way neither of you get killed. Goddamn liberties.
Eh? There's a few more of them turning up.
Me and my big mouth. Okay, let's deal with them.
Last chance. Drop your weapons and get off the train. We won't tell you. There's chance. Drop your weapons and get off the train. There.
Look out on the left. Here come the friends. We got more coming from the trees there.
Quick, we can make a run for it. Look out behind us.
Let's go. Stay with me.
That was fun, boys. Real fun. We can see what they call you the professionals in the outfit.
Shut up.
At least we made some money. Hey, what did I get? Gotta be $100 here. Very nice.
You weren't even invited.
What now?
We still need a real big take, enough for us to get out of here.
Was that a setup? Law turned up real fast.
I don't know. I don't think so, but I'm starting to get nervous.
Think they followed us from Blackwater?
Maybe. They found me already near Horseshoe, but I think this lot was just locals.
I hope so. I'm gonna head into Valentine, see if I can get something started there.
Good idea. Either way, we should all go it alone right now. You know the deal. Don't be followed.
Of course not, boss.